Hello BTS, welcome back. Today's video is all about how to make money during the coronavirus lockdown. Number 1. Become a delivery driver. It's no secret that there's a huge demand for delivery drivers at the moment, both to deliver online shopping for food delivery services. Despite tough prospects across a range of industries, there is still a huge need for delivery drivers, but it is one of the riskier ways of making money given current transmission rates. If you're considering this option, it's important to consider your risk category and the risk to others in your household. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. If you're a good communicator, have strong digital skills, and excellent organizational skills, you could work as a virtual assistant. You will need to accurately type at a speed of 80 to 100 WPM, work well remotely, and adjust to the needs of the business or person that you are assisting, but this is one of the more long-term and reliable options to make additional money during lockdown. There are a number of virtual assistant websites like Virtualent and 24/7 Virtual Assistants, offering $10 12 and 20 to 120 hours per month. However, these websites typically require extensive experience within the sector before they will take you on. If you're new to being a VI or PA, you can apply for jobs on jobs websites like Reed, Total Jobs, or Glassdoor. If you'd like to brush up on your skills or improve your CV before you apply, you can take some free courses that can help you get hired by improving your communication, growing your digital skills, or just learning how to write a great job application. Number 3. Get crafty. Some people have managed to discover new hobbies during lockdown, or remember old projects. If you're into arts and crafts, you could turn that hobby into an additional income. You can make your own jewelry, homemade cards, print t-shirts, upcycle things around the house, or even make beautiful terrariums to sell on sites like Etsy. Not all crafts sell well or will make a profit, so before you get started, it's a good idea to check out what's already on there, how much it sells for, and compare it to what you'd expect for the time, effort, and spend associated with it. You can also see how much competition there is and decide how you will make your own craft stand out. Number 4. Rent out your car. If the public transport in your area is on a skeleton service or people in your neighborhood need to make larger purchases, you could also make money by renting out your car. Websites like GetAround help to connect car owners with potential renters. If you're considering this, it's important to weigh the risks against your own situation, as car surfaces can hold bacteria and viruses well after people have returned the rental. Number 5. Try online tutoring. Now that schools and colleges have closed, there's been a huge increase in parents looking for online tutors for their children. If you have in-depth knowledge around a particular subject, great communication skills, and feel that you have the right temperament to keep your students engaged and nurture their interest, you can apply to a variety of online tutoring websites that link up tutors with students. Some focus on academic subjects, but others offer the chance to teach music, crafts, and other skills. If teaching for the first time feels daunting or you don't know where to start with a lesson plan, we have a range of free courses specifically designed for teachers. They can help you become a better music teacher, plan a great English lesson, or provide a grounding in how to teach online. It's a difficult time for a lot of industries. Some jobs work easily from home, and the lockdown doesn't affect them as badly, while others may still take weeks or months to recover, even after lockdown is lifted. If you're concerned about your industry or want to reskill, this may be a good time to consider your options. While changing careers often comes with a drop in pay, you may be able to move to a more lucrative field and regain lost earnings quickly. Thank you for spending some time with us. Make sure like and subscribe so you never missed our new video.